Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add payment method on Twitch. This is very simple. First thing you will have to do is to click on your favorite stream and you will have to be able to sub to him. So click on gift a sub. This is because this is the only way how you can add your payment method. Click on the sub right here and here you can add your payment method and sub to the streamer, and then the payment method will be saved to your saved payment method. So the thing you will have to do, you can either use PayPal, see more methods, or just pay with your payment card. So here you will have your first name, last name, country, and then card number, expiry month, expiry year, and CVV code. So once you fill this out, just click on review purchase and your payment method will be saved right here in your wallet under saved payment methods. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.